How to ignore messages on Messenger. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to ignore messages on Messenger. So first is you have to make sure that your Messenger application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in Messenger. Now, if you will see an update button, all you have to do is to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my messenger is updated. Now, if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. Let's go back to the home page and open your messenger. Now, all you have to do is to pick the person or to choose the chat that you want to ignore. Let's say you want to ignore Kate, this person. So all you have to do is to long press the name or the chat of that person, and this will come up: the delete, mute notifications, open chat head, mark as unread, restrict, and block. And before, the messenger has this option of ignoring the person or ignoring messages from that person, but now they've added restrict. So all you have to do is to click on restrict, and this will come out. So see less of that person without you blocking them. So if you click on that or you restrict that person, their chats will be moved out of from your site, and you your activity is hidden from them, for example your active status, and you could always unrestrict them anytime and they won't get notified if you've restricted them or not. So basically that is it. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Please leave any questions you may have in the comment sections, and have a great day.